Have you ever wondered how ancient wisdom can transform your modern financial life? Imagine unlocking secrets that have withstood the test of time, guiding you to financial prosperity and wisdom. In this video, we unravel the top 7 money lessons from the Bible that will make you financially wise. Each lesson is a gem, offering insights that are not just profound, but immensely practical in today's fast-paced world. We're about to embark on a journey where the old meets the new. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on these timeless treasures that are as applicable today as they were thousands of years ago. So, are you ready to elevate your financial intelligence and step into a world of financial security and abundance? Stay tuned till the end, and let's transform your financial destiny together. Lesson number 1: the principle of saving. Proverbs chapter 21 verse 20 says that, "There is treasure to be desired and oil in the dwelling of the wise, but a foolish man spendeth it up." This verse underscores the importance of saving. It teaches us to be wise by saving a portion of our income, ensuring that we are prepared for the future and not squandering our resources impulsively. Lesson number 2: avoiding debt. Proverbs chapter 22 verse 7 says that, "The rich ruleth over the poor, and the borrower is servant to the lender." This ancient wisdom warns against the pitfalls of debt. Being ensnared in debt can lead to a life of servitude and stress. Financial wisdom involves living within our means and avoiding debt as much as possible. Lesson number 3: generosity. Proverbs chapter 11 verse 25 says, "A generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed." Generosity is a key principle in financial wisdom. It reminds us that wealth isn't just for self-consumption but is a tool to bless others, leading to a fulfilling and prosperous life. Lesson number 4: diversification. Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 2 mentions that, "Divide your portion to 7, or even to 8, for you do not know what misfortune may occur on the earth." This verse highlights the importance of diversifying our investments. Spreading our resources can protect us from unforeseen financial downturns. Lesson number 5: hard work. Proverbs chapter 14 verse 23 says that, "In all labor there is profit, but mere talk leads only to poverty." Hard work is foundational to financial success. It's not just about dreaming or talking, but putting in the effort to achieve our financial goals. Lesson number 6: integrity. Proverbs chapter 10 verse 2 highlights that, "Tainted wealth has no lasting value, but right living can save your life." Integrity in our financial dealings ensures that our wealth is a blessing and not a curse. It emphasizes the impermanence of ill-gotten gains and the value of upright living. Lesson number 7: seeking counsel. Proverbs chapter 15 verse 22 mentions that, "Plans fail for lack of counsel, but with many advisors they succeed." This wisdom underscores the importance of seeking advice in financial matters. Consulting with experts can provide insights and guidance to make informed financial decisions. So to conclude, these timeless principles from the Bible offer a foundation for financial wisdom. By integrating these lessons into our lives, we can navigate the complexities of the financial world with confidence and integrity, leading to a life of financial security and prosperity. Remember, it's not just about accumulating wealth but managing it wisely, being generous, and living with integrity. This brings us to the end of this video. Hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights and wisdom.